On today's episode, I'm very excited because I received another mystery watch in the mail and I have no idea what it is. So you and I are going to open this together in this episode and see what we've got. Now time's are ticking, so let's get stuck in. Hey everyone, Matt Johnson here. I'm your host of my YouTube channel, Beer and Watches, where I bring you the very best in watch news, watch reviews, and craft beer brews every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Oh, my Timex just went off. Or was it my Casio? I'm not sure. Today's episode is very exciting because today I got another watch package and I have no idea what's inside. You see, I get sent watches from all over the world. Because I don't know what's coming when or when's coming what. No, that makes no sense. I have no idea what they are. So I thought we'd open it together in today's episode. Now, before we swing the camera around and open up this box, today I'm drinking Golden Pheasant Premium Lager from Slovakia. It's 4.7% and I've never had a Slovakian beer before, so I thought we'd give it a try. Now I'll leave a link in the description below this video where you can go along and check out this Slovakian beer. Let's try it. Oh, that's really good, guys. Very light, very refreshing. If you like a good premium European lager, then you will enjoy this. Kind of, in my opinion, like a Stella, Heineken, something like that. Cheers to you guys. It's Monday. I hope you all have a great week. Now, today on my wrist, by the way, I am wearing my eGuard Mayan version 2. I did a review of this here on my channel, and if you want to check that out, I'll put a link in the description below this video. You can also click on this link right here, but I wouldn't do that right now because then you'll miss what's inside my mystery package. And why would you want to miss that? So guys and girls, we are going to swing this camera around and we're going to open this bad boy up and see what's inside. I always get like a kid in a candy store, a kid at Christmas when packages arrive for me in the mail. When I was a kid, I always used to love ordering something, well, not online because back then we didn't have online, but you know, ordering something from the back of a comic or a magazine, a subscription service, and getting it in the mail. Even getting a letter was very cool indeed. We're gonna get all that sticky tape off there. My gosh, that's making a loud noise. Woo! Here we go, guys. What is it gonna be? All right, so the packaging is coming off slowly but surely. Look at that. The box is way smaller than it started out in all that bubble wrap, isn't it? All right, so let's split this open and take a look inside at what we've got. All right, there it goes. There we go. Oh, I know what this is. Here's an interesting thing. A while ago, a few weeks ago, I did an unboxing video on my channel where I unboxed a couple of different packages. One of them arrived. Here it is. Look, yeah, it's the Stalingrad. Actually, what's in here is the Stalingrad Trooper. And actually, if you go over to Stalingrad's website, and I'll put a link in the description below this video, they have a whole bunch of different troopers. Actually, there are 4 in the Stalingrad Trooper line. Now, I've already done reviews of the Stalingrad Destroyer, the Stalingrad Grenade, the Stalingrad Kursk, and the Stalingrad Torpedo, and I'll put links to all of those reviews in the description below this video. I should mention, for full disclosure, although Stalingrad sent me those 4 watches and sent me this one, I don't get paid for these reviews, just so you know. So I do give completely unbiased reviews. This particular Stalingrad, the Stalingrad Trooper, has already been sent to me once, but I should explain, because what happened was when I opened it on the episode, I can't remember which episode that was, but it's here on my channel, I found that the chronograph didn't actually work. There it is, look, the Stalingrad Trooper. Now, the chronograph, when I pressed the top button here, wasn't actually working, and as you can see, it is working on this one, which is great. But what I love about Stalingrad is this. The chronograph wasn't working, so I contacted them, and Stalingrad said, look, that's not good enough. They said, pop it into a box, we'll send you a label. I put the label on there. UPS or FedEx or something, I forget, they had them come to my door within a couple of days, hand pick it up, ship it back to them, and in the meantime they sent me a brand new one. So I think that is incredible service. Look, I've had nothing but good results with all the Stalingrad watches that I've had in my hands, and again, I don't get paid to say that. Any watch company can send you a watch that could have some defects, and I got one with a defect, and it came and they replaced it and sent it me right away and had the other one picked up. So I think that's amazing service. So I love Stalingrad. I love the watch build. I love how unique their watches are. I love the packaging. I love everything about this watch company. And now on top of that, I also love their customer service as well. I'm not going to go into a review of this today. You can see the chronograph going there. We'll stop that and we'll reset it. It is Monday and I'll be doing the review of this on Wednesday, but I just want to show you a couple of features. Comes on this nice little leather cushion here with the hang tag. We've got the warranty card inside the box here. As I say, all the Stalingrads I've reviewed so far on my channel have been really good build quality and high end, so I'm super impressed with this watch company. There is the face. Again, we won't get into the specs of this now. Sticker on the back there, I'm not going to peel that off. Cordura strap on this, kind of in this beautiful grey, blue face, orange accents, orange stitching, sign tang buckle. I just think it's a really, really smart looking watch. Very, very nice indeed. Now, what I'll be doing, guys, is I will be doing a review of this on Wednesday's episode, and also I've got some very exciting news for you. So let's turn this camera around and let me tell you the exciting news. All right, guys, so what is the exciting news? Well, I'm super stoked to be able to tell you that this watch, this beautiful Stalingrad watch, is going to be given away to one of my lucky subscribers. I know, another giveaway. How crazy is that? So here's what's going to happen. Today is Monday, and what's going to happen is on Wednesday's episode, I'll do a full review of this watch. Make sure you tune in on Wednesday to enter that contest. All rules will be explained on Wednesday's video, and you'll be able to enter the contest to win this watch. Okay, guys? Enjoy your week. We'll see you again on Wednesday. If this is your first time here and you enjoyed this episode, please do consider subscribing. The subscribe link is down there to the right of the screen. Unless you're watching this on your mobile device, then it'll be under this video on your mobile device. It's completely free to subscribe. You can unsubscribe at any time you like, and then by subscribing, not only do you get to see my updated content, which I release every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but you also get to become a part of my Beer and Watches family and also take part in these amazing giveaways, which I do on a regular basis, just to say thank you to all my subscribers. Please do leave me a thumbs up and also leave me a comment in the comments section below this video. Hearing from you guys means the world to me, and I respond to each and every single one of my comments. You can click on that video right there if you haven't seen it yet. That's a good one. And you can click on the Beer and Watches logo right there to subscribe. Take care, guys. Enjoy your week. We'll see you again on Wednesday. I'm Matt Johnson, and bye for now.